Here's an extra problem for the area of parallelograms and triangles. So here's the problem. It says find the area of this trapezoid. Now you're looking at this and you're thinking, you know what? I know the formula for finding the area of a circle, an area of a parallelogram, an area of a triangle. But what do we do when it's not something that's so easy? It's this different shape. There's more than one way to do this, even using the same method. I'm just going to show one way here and allude to another. Looking at this shape, is it possible that you could break this up into multiple different shapes, find the area of those different shapes, and then add them together to find a total area? Yeah, it would be possible. One way you could do it is you could look right here and make this perpendicular line to our base down here. And we could have a triangle and make another one here, another triangle, and then this rectangle right here. And we could find the area of this triangle, the area of this rectangle, and the area of this triangle, add it all up, and we would have the area of the whole thing. That's one way we could do it. Another way we could do it is imagine here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 from this corner. So we could go here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right here. And find the area of this triangle right here. And then the area of this parallelogram, this one right here. Find the area of that, the area of this triangle, add it together, and we could come up with the same answer. Let's do it the first way I suggested. Let's take our triangle right here and our triangle right here and our rectangle right here and find the area. So let's label this 1, this 2, and this 3. We're going to find the area of each, and then we're going to add it all up to find the total area. So I'm going to say area 1. We're going to find this triangle first. We know that area of a triangle, okay, of triangle 1 is the base times the height, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so it's base times height divided by 2. We know our base here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our base equals 5 centimeters, because this is assuming it's 1 centimeter grid paper. Our height, counted out, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Okay, so that means the area here, area 1, is base times height. It's 5 centimeters times 7 centimeters divided by 2. Area 1 is 5 times 7 is 35 divided by 2 is 17.5 centimeters squared. Let's find the area of the second portion of this. Area 2, it's a rectangle, so it's just base times height. Find our base, count it. So this rectangle right here, our base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So B2 is 9 centimeters. Our height, it's still that same height. It's still that 7 tall. So it's still 7 centimeters. So our area 2 is base times height, 9 centimeters times 7 centimeters, which equals 63 centimeters squared. Area 2, so this right here, if we counted all of these up, all of these squares in here, we would count 63 of them. And area 3, it is base times height divided by 2. Why? Because it's the area of a triangle. We know that's our formula for a triangle. So what's our base? Our base is from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Our height is still 7 centimeters. So our area 3 is 4 centimeters times 7 centimeters divided by 2. Area 3 is 4 times 7 is 28 divided by 2 is 14 centimeters squared. So if we take our total area, our area total, that's going to be area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. We know that our area total then will equal area 1, which is 17.5 centimeters squared, plus area 2, which is 63 centimeters squared, plus area 3, which is 14 centimeters squared. Add it all up. It would be 94.5 centimeters squared because of these added up as that, and we keep the unit because we're adding. So that's our answer. The area of this trapezoid, area of trapezoid or area of the total area would be all of these added up. Okay. If you were to do it the other way, you'd only have two shapes that you'd need to calculate. But it would be a little more complex to imagine in your head. These questions can get very difficult. You could do a question where you add on a circle somewhere on that, and you'll need to figure out the total area of it all. But this one is a lot more simple, and there will be something like this on the unit test.